If you are looking for the best productivity apps in 2022, then this video might be useful for you. I have been trying to become productive every single day for the past year, and I have found some of the apps that can be very helpful for you too, so that you don't have to waste more time looking for the things from the scratch. This can be the jumpstart for you to just start becoming more productive. The first app we have is Notion. So the Notion is a project management and a note-taking app that can be very useful for any one of us, whether you are an entrepreneur or school students. It can be very helpful. I have created some basics on how to use Notions in the previous video. You can click here in the top right sections of the screen to watch the video. Number 2 is RAINDROP. This is a very handy app if you want to quickly capture the link into your vault like YouTube watch later features, which means when you are in a hurry but also you want to reference that link later in your free time at that period of time. This app can be very handy. I have been using this app for almost a month now, and I can say this app is a game changer. Number 3 is ReadWise. If you read a lot, then you should consider this app. This app will help you sync between many different cross-platform programs like OBSIDIAN, Roam Research, and many others. If you mostly read via Kindle, when you highlight the words into it, then this app will help you sync your highlights into your vault like OBSIDIAN, and is completely free to use. Number 4 is OBSIDIAN. I use this app for managing my notes and daily journals. This app is completely very interesting topic, and I guess it's require a completely separate video. Since then, using this app has been helping me nurturing my second brain system. Number 5 is Todoist. This app is my favorite app to dump my instant ideas and turning those ideas into reality. I have been using this app for my websites and my content creations. Number 6 is English. This is a dictionary app. Since my native language is not English, so I have been trying to get better at learning the words that are not familiar with my brain, and because of its free features, I love this app so that I can do more active recalling stuffs over here. Number 7 is EnoReader. I use this app to get RSS feed from my favorite YouTubers. Since nowadays YouTube won't recommend you the subscribed YouTubers unless they get viral or they get some good watch time, or if you haven't been watching them for a very long period of time. Number 8 is Evernote. Evernote is similar to both Notions and Obsidian, but I use this app for this unique features called optical character recognition, which is OCR, which can find the text of my handwritten notes and find it for me when I had to reference my physical notes. Number 9 is Pocket. The app is similar to the RAINDROP, but before RAINDROP, I was using this app, but it's very handy to save instant videos and the links to the vault. Number 10 is Calendar. I mainly use this app for my IPO calendar project, but this app can be used to schedule your meetings, and you can set reminders for your classes or for your work days. I will be using this app a lot in the future, but for now I use this app for my side hustle integration project. Number 11 is ANKI DROID. I don't use this app, to be honest. I use this app only when I had to do some space repetitions and active recalling with my notebooks, but it can be very handy if you are med students. I might use this app with integrations with my dictionary app in nearby futures if these apps let me do. Number 12 is AxeMind. It is for my mind map tool, which I have been using from my desktop for now. Number 13 is ADOBE Scan. I use this app to scan my homework and submit it to my lecturers so that I can get a good marks. Number 14 is ADOBE ACROBAT. I forgot to record my ADOBE ACROBAT app, but I use this app to read PDF files, and it is very handy if you have a lot of PDFs. And basically that is for this video, and I guess this video made some sense to you, and you might consider some of the apps in your workspace or in your system. That is for now, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Peace out.